Hi, this is Kai Tracid. Today we are in my studio at Tony Audio Labs, and I want to speak about a new plugin by Native Instruments called BX Enhancer. And I really like it because it helps me to stay in the flow. So before we dive into the video, I want to show you what I did with the BX Enhancer with my 303. And after I use the plugin, so not only the BX Enhancer is good for hardware synthesizers, but it's also very good for your stuff like drums or vocals or whatever you'd like to process very fast. So let me show you what I made. First of all, I want to introduce you to the tuner, which is, for me, as I use analog gear, a very important part, because the synthesizers, when you buy them, they're not always in perfect tune, because they're analog, they become like this. So I can tune it here, for example, and go for the A. So that's perfect. So now, after I tune the synth, I show you the other settings I made. So for Sculpt, I always like it to have a little bit more bright sound. I think we are living in a time where everything is a little bit more bright. So it's really easy to just dial a little bit brightness here in without changing the whole sound. And of course, I want to have a little bit boost. TB303 is a perfect example for have a bit more drive. And we have a compressor, super simple settings with fast attack, slow release. And then also I want to give it a little bit more bright color. So I cut a little bit low end so that 303 is not conflicting with the bass drum or my bass, and put a little bit excitement into it, and also put a low pass filter on it to cut off this super high frequency stuff that make it sound a little bit digital. Then I made everything below 150 Hz mono, made the stereo width a little bit wider. So I also used the auto gain feature here so that the input and output is level matched and I don't get fooled by the loudness. And also it's very handy to have a correlation meter here. So if I play the sound and it stays in the positive way, I'm totally fine and I have no problems. So let me show you how this sounds in my percussion group. So let me explain a little bit what I have done. I adjusted the basis filter so it's a little bit more bright. I gave it a little bit drive. I used the compressor to get all the grittiness and the reverb and everything more in your face. Put a little high pass filter on it because I don't need these frequencies here. And my magic low pass filter at 90K to have this digital sound going away. So let me show you what I've done with my bass group, with my subs. As always, I recommend you to wear headphones or good speakers, because in the lower frequencies it's very hard to hear the difference. Yeah, I think it's got more drive now. It's a lot, this more professional sound from the underground, the deep low end. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. So again, super easy workflow. I use the sculpt, the color, and that's it. Let's hear it together in the mix. So this is the BX enhancer as I use it in my workflow. Really simple to use. Go check it out at plugin-alliance.com. So this is Kai Tracid. Thanks for hanging out with me. Stay till the end. I hope you had a lot of fun watching this video and see you next time.